Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Use an IAM user instead of root when possible and ensure you have EAM, create virtual MFA device or equivalent permissions. Once done, open the AWS console and navigate to IAM users, select the target user, and choose security credentials. Make sure the user has a console password set. Without it, you cannot enable virtual MFA in the console. Next, pick your MFA method, virtual app for convenience or a hardware token for higher assurance, and get it ready on your device. Now configure the virtual MFA device step by step. First, in the Assigned MFA Device dialog, choose Virtual MFA Device and display the QR code. If you cannot scan, copy the base 32 secret. Then open your Authenticator app and either scan or manually add the account with the secret. Once the app shows a rotating 6-digit code, enter the first code, wait for the next rotation, then enter the second code to confirm. This two-code validation prevents timing mismatches and ensures the device syncs correctly. Finish by verifying the user now shows MFA as active and instructing them to use the authenticator for future logins. Once enabled, test both the console sign-in and any API calls that require MFA by obtaining temporary credentials via SDS if applicable. If you encounter failed codes, make sure the phone clock is set to automatic network time. An incorrect clock causes desync. If problems persist, remove and recreate the virtual MFA device in IAM, then repeat the two-code validation to restore service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.